Hi, it's Roger Pettingell, Sarasota's luxury waterfront property specialist. So we've survived Hurricane Milton. We see people all over town cleaning up and rebuilding bigger and stronger than ever. What can we do to help? So we're getting calls all the time for real estate advice. Should I rebuild my house? What should I do? Should I move into town? Are there opportunities for some investors or for people who think that they might be getting a better deal? All this remains to be seen. We're just so fresh into this. I think that making a quick judgment decision is probably not the best idea, but getting the information is the best idea. What else can you do? What Pettingell Professionals is doing is, in addition to helping our clients and friends and family just with getting things back together or moving things or physically helping, we're creating a challenge grant, $10,000 we've donated to 4 different charities that we've identified, and we certainly support that you have your own charities perhaps, but we'd encourage you to join in this challenge grant. So every dollar is received, we'll match it up to $10,000 for charities including the Red Cross, the Sarasota Food Bank, Child Protection Center. They've had damage to their centers, and the Salvation Army. The QR code is in the link. Anything you can do would be appreciated, and even just your constant good word and goodwill and support will help us all move together better.